Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. From smart kitchen tools to time-saving cleaning gadgets, this collection is all about making your daily tasks easier. Let's explore some innovative Amazon finds that can simplify your household chores in no time. As usual, the links for the gadgets are in the description down below. This spill stopper lid prevents messy boil-overs by controlling bubbling liquids while cooking. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it fits securely over pots and pans, allowing steam to escape without overflowing. Ideal for boiling pasta, rice, or soups. This lid catches spills before they happen, keeping your stovetop clean. It's dishwasher safe, BPA free, and heat resistant up to 400 Fahrenheit, making it a must-have kitchen tool for hassle-free cooking. Just place it on your pot and let it do the work. This handheld vacuum delivers ultra-lightweight, powerful suction for quick cleanups around your home. Weighing just 1.4 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and perfect for pet hair, crumbs, and dust on furniture, countertops, and car interiors. Designed with a high-speed brushless motor, it offers strong suction in a compact form. The one-touch emptying system lets you dispose of debris without getting your hands dirty. With its sleek charging dock, this vacuum is always ready to tackle messes in seconds. This multifunctional soap dispenser is designed to keep your sink area organized and efficient. With two independent soap bottles, you can store both dish soap and hand soap simultaneously. Plus, the built-in sponge rack ensures easy access to your cleaning tools while saving valuable counter space. The detachable design allows for effortless refills and cleaning. Just remove the tray rack, pour out the liquid, and you're done. This versatile dispenser isn't just for the kitchen. It's perfect for holding shampoo, body wash, or laundry detergent, making it a must-have for any home. This collapsible laundry basket makes laundry day easier with its space-saving foldable design. Expanding to a full-sized basket when needed and collapsing flat for storage, it's perfect for small spaces, dorms, or RVs. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, this basket is lightweight yet sturdy, capable of holding a full load of laundry. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, making it easy to carry from room to room. Whether for laundry, storage, or organizing household items, this versatile collapsible basket is a must-have for maximizing space and convenience. This power scrubber takes the effort out of deep cleaning with its high-speed oscillating brush that scrubs 60 times per second, removing grime faster than manual scrubbing. Designed for tight spaces and tough stains, this water-resistant electric scrubber is perfect for grout, sinks, faucets, tile, and even kitchen appliances. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, while its interchangeable brush heads make it a versatile cleaning tool for every household. Battery-powered and compact, this scrubber is the ultimate time-saving gadget for tackling stubborn dirt with ease. This over-the-sink colander makes rinsing and draining fruits, vegetables, and pasta effortless. Designed to fit most sinks, its adjustable arms extend for a secure fit, ensuring hands-free straining. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, this colander is lightweight yet sturdy, with evenly spaced drain holes for quick water drainage. Its space-saving design allows it to collapse for easy storage, making it perfect for small kitchens. Whether you're washing produce or straining pasta, this versatile and convenient kitchen essential streamlines meal prep with ease. This soap is a game-changer for eliminating stubborn odors like garlic, onion, and fish from your hands. Unlike regular soap, it neutralizes odors using ionization technology. Simply rub it under running water for a few seconds, and unwanted smells disappear. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, this chemical-free and eco-friendly bar never wears out or needs replacing. This smart meat thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking by providing real-time temperature monitoring through a connected app. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, it ensures your meat is cooked to perfection with precise, wireless tracking. With Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor your food from anywhere, receiving alerts when it reaches the ideal temperature. The dual temperature sensors track both internal meat temp and ambient grill temp for accuracy. Perfect for home cooks and barbecue enthusiasts, this hands-free thermometer guarantees juicy, delicious results every time. These bed sheet grippers are the perfect solution to keep your sheets neatly in place. no matter how much you toss and turn at night. This set of adjustable straps securely holds your fitted sheet, flat sheet, or mattress pad in place, preventing them from slipping or bunching up. With a durable elastic design and easy-to-use clips, these grippers are designed to stretch and fit mattresses of various sizes, ensuring a tight, smooth fit. Ideal for both deep pocket and standard mattresses, these grippers offer a quick and convenient way to keep your bedding wrinkle-free and comfortable all night long. This oil sprayer bottle is designed with dual functionality, allowing you to spray or pour oil with ease. Perfect for a variety of food preparation processes, from dressing salads to grilling or roasting, it ensures precise and mess-free dispensing. The food-grade, BPA-free PP material and thick, unbreakable glass make it safe for use and durable for long-lasting performance. With a generous 470 ml capacity, this refillable and reusable bottle features a wide mouth opening for easy filling without spills. The ergonomic design with a comfortable handle and front-facing nozzle ensures a fine, uniform mist while keeping your hands clean. Ideal for BBQs and cooking, this bottle combines convenience, control, and practicality for every kitchen. This mandolin slicer is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make food prep quicker and easier. With adjustable settings, it allows you to slice fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients with precision and consistency. Whether you need thin slices for salads or thicker cuts for stir-fries, the slicer can be easily adjusted to meet your needs. The slicer features sharp, stainless steel blades that effortlessly glide through food, providing smooth, even cuts every time. The non-slip base ensures stability, allowing for safe and efficient use. Additionally, the included cut-resistant gloves helps protect your hands while slicing, making it an essential tool for both beginners and seasoned chefs. Compact and easy to clean, this mandolin slicer fits seamlessly into any kitchen and is ideal for those looking to speed up meal prep without compromising on quality. This peeler features a sharp stainless steel blade for effortless peeling of fruits and vegetables, even tough produce like butternut squash. Its arched design prevents peels from building up behind the blade, ensuring smooth use. The tool also includes a potato eye and blemish remover for added versatility. Made from earth-friendly materials like craft paper, BPA-free recycled plastic, and stainless steel, it offers durable, eco-friendly performance. This automatic peeler is a time-saving kitchen tool designed to peel fruits and vegetables with ease. Simply place your produce on the machine, and let the peeler's sharp blades automatically remove the skin, leaving a clean surface behind. It efficiently handles a wide range of produce, from apples to potatoes, speeding up meal prep. A user-friendly device, this automatic peeler is ideal for anyone looking to reduce peeling time and effort. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.